Hey everyone, if you're a Canadian receiving CPP, you're going to want to pay close attention because your next payment is just around the corner, and it could arrive in your account in as little as 3 days. Whether you rely on CPP as a key part of your monthly income, are planning your budget for bills and essentials, or are simply curious about the latest updates from Service Canada, this video is packed with everything you need to know. I'm going to break down exactly when the payments will hit, how to check your status, what to do if there are delays, and even tips to make the most of your CPP benefits. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to be fully prepared and financially confident when that deposit lands in your account. Welcome to Canada, everyone. If you're watching this, you're about to get some important news that could affect your finances. Your next CPP payment is coming in just 3 days, and in this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know to make sure you're prepared, from the exact payment schedule to how to check your status online, what to do if there are delays, and even tips to make the most out of your CPP benefits. I've got you covered. So sit back, stay tuned, and let's make sure you're fully ready when that payment hits your account. Now, for the exciting part, when exactly are these payments going out? According to the latest schedule, CPP payments are set to be deposited nationwide in just 3 days. For most recipients, this means you can expect the funds to appear in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your financial institution. Many Canadians rely on this regular deposit to cover essential expenses such as rent, groceries, utilities, and other monthly bills. That's why staying informed about CPP payment dates is so crucial. You might be wondering how to check your payment status. The Government of Canada offers an online portal where you can log in to see your payment history, upcoming deposits, and total benefits received. Simply visit the Canada Revenue Agency or Service Canada website, sign in with your secure credentials, and navigate to the CPP section. From there, you can view the exact date your next payment is scheduled, and even confirm that your banking information is up to date. This ensures that there are no delays in receiving your funds. It's also worth noting that CPP payments are processed automatically each month. You don't need to apply every month to receive your payment, but it's always a good idea to double-check your personal information. Changes in your banking details, address, or marital status can affect how quickly payments are deposited. By keeping your information current, you avoid unnecessary delays and make sure you receive your funds on time. Another important aspect to consider is how CPP payments are calculated. Your payment amount is based on several factors, including your contributions to the CPP during your working years and the age at which you start receiving benefits. The earlier you start collecting CPP, the smaller the monthly payment may be, whereas delaying payments can result in higher monthly amounts. For retirees, this planning can have a significant impact on long-term financial stability, so it's worth reviewing your options carefully. For those who may be new to CPP, it's also important to understand that these payments are taxable. CPP benefits are considered income by the Canadian government and must be reported on your annual tax return. While taxes may be deducted at source for some recipients, others may need to set aside funds to cover their tax obligations. Being aware of this in advance helps avoid surprises when tax season arrives. Let's also talk about some practical tips for maximizing the benefits of your CPP payment. First, consider setting up automatic bill payments. This way, you can ensure that your essential bills are covered as soon as the funds hit your account. Second, create a budget that accounts for your monthly income, including your CPP payment. By planning ahead, you can allocate funds for necessities, savings, and even discretionary spending without stress. Finally, think about setting aside a portion of your CPP payment in an emergency fund. Life can be unpredictable, and having a financial cushion provides peace of mind. Many Canadians also wonder how CPP interacts with other government programs. For example, if you're receiving Old Age Security, OAS, or Employment Insurance, EI, your CPP payments are separate but complementary. Understanding how these programs work together helps you make better financial decisions and ensures that you're receiving all the benefits you're entitled to. You can check eligibility criteria and benefit amounts for these programs on the official Government of Canada website. Now, let's answer some frequently asked questions about CPP payments. First, what happens if my payment is delayed? Sometimes payments can be delayed due to banking issues, holidays, or administrative errors. If this happens, the first step is to check your online account and banking information. If everything is correct, contact Service Canada directly. They can provide updates and assistance. Another common question is, can I change the date my CPP payment is deposited? Unfortunately, the payment schedule is set by Service Canada, so you cannot choose a different date. However, you can plan your personal budget around the standard schedule to ensure your expenses are covered. Some viewers ask, are CPP payments affected by working income? The answer depends on the type of CPP benefit you receive. Retirement benefits may be impacted by your ongoing employment if you're below the age of 65, while disability benefits and survivor benefits have their own specific rules. Checking the official CPP guidelines or speaking with a Service Canada representative can clarify your individual situation. For anyone watching who may not yet be enrolled in CPP, it's important to start the application process as early as possible. Applications can take several weeks to process, and ensuring all your documentation is complete can prevent delays. You'll need proof of identity, banking information, and a record of your contributions. Applying online through the Service Canada website is the fastest and most convenient method. Let's take a moment to talk about how CPP benefits help Canadians in everyday life. For retirees, these payments provide a stable source of income that helps cover housing, medical expenses, and day-to-day costs. For individuals living with disabilities, CPP disability benefits can mean the difference between financial stress and security. And for families who have lost a loved one, survivor benefits can provide essential support during difficult times. Knowing exactly when these payments arrive can make a real difference in managing life's expenses. It's also a good idea to be aware of upcoming changes to CPP. From time to time, the Government of Canada adjusts contribution rates, benefit amounts, or eligibility criteria. Staying informed about these changes ensures you are prepared and can make strategic financial decisions. Signing up for official newsletters or alerts from Service Canada is a simple way to stay updated. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key points. CPP payments are going out across Canada in just 3 days. You can check your payment status online, ensure your banking information is correct, and plan your budget accordingly. Remember that CPP is taxable, interacts with other government programs, and offers a crucial safety net for millions of Canadians. By understanding your benefits and planning ahead, you can make the most of this important financial resource. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to stay informed about your CPP payments and your financial well-being here in Canada. I hope this video gave you all the details you need to know about when your next payment is coming, how to check your status, and tips to make the most of your benefits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more updates on Canadian financial news, and share it with friends or family who might also benefit from this information. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your questions or experiences. I love hearing from you, and it helps others in our community stay informed too. Stay prepared, stay confident with your finances, and I'll see you in the next video for more important updates. Thanks again for watching.